Imagine an escape artist so brilliant it can vanish without leaving a single trace. No smoke, no tricks, no warning. Deep beneath the waves, hidden in the shifting blue, lives a creature that makes even Houdini look like a beginner. A creature whose escapes are so impossible, even scientists still scratch their heads. This is the octopus, the ocean's silent magician. But today, we're not talking about ink clouds, quick swims, or camouflage. We're talking about something far more unbelievable. Something the world rarely sees. A secret weapon so shocking, it completely rewrites what we think a living body can do. Because the octopus's greatest gift is the ability to ignore the rules of shape. Picture this. A fisherman places an octopus in a sturdy, sealed container. Minutes later, the container is empty. No cracks, no holes, just silence. Or the famous aquarium incident. An octopus slips out of its tank, crawls across a room, unscrews a drain pipe, and escapes into the ocean, all while security cameras watch in disbelief. To most people, these are magic tricks. To the octopus, this is routine. But how? What hidden mechanism lets a living creature flatten, stretch, twist, and pour itself through openings no wider than a coin? For years, people believed the octopus's escape power came from its ink. But that's only a distraction. The real superpower is something far more radical. The octopus has no bones, no rigid skeleton, no locked-in shape. Its body is pure living flexibility, a shape-shifting organism that can compress itself like soft clay. If an octopus's beak fits through a gap, the rest of its body simply follows. This means a 4-foot octopus can slip through a hole the size of your thumb. Imagine chasing a creature that can turn liquid at will. That's what predators face. That's what scientists study. And that's what makes the octopus nearly impossible to trap. Now here's where things get even stranger. The octopus's body is supported by something called a hydrostatic skeleton, a biological system where muscles, not bones, create structure. Their muscles can contract in any direction, sideways, diagonally, twisting, expanding, collapsing, like living origami. This lets them shift from a round bubble to a razor-thin ribbon to a coiled spring of muscle ready to launch. But flexibility isn't enough. They also have unreal sensory abilities. Each arm is packed with neurons, so many it's almost like every arm has its own tiny brain. They can feel the world, analyze surfaces, detect vibrations, and sense tight spaces long before they enter them. Their vision adds another layer. Eyes built to navigate darkness, danger, and impossible paths. Together, this creates something extraordinary. A creature that not only changes shape, but knows exactly how to do it with perfect precision. So, how do they use this power? When a shark or eel lunges at them, the octopus doesn't fight. It collapses its body, twists out of reach, and pours into cracks that predators physically cannot follow. In captivity, they escape aquariums, jars, traps, pipes, and tanks designed to hold animals far larger and stronger. Even during hunting, this ability becomes a weapon. An octopus can flatten its body to hide under rocks, then suddenly expand, launch forward, and engulf prey with terrifying speed. Whether fleeing or hunting, it's the same move, a perfect, fluid transformation that seems to break every rule of anatomy. Scientists today are studying this living shapeshifter for inspiration. Roboticists are trying to copy the octopus's muscles to build soft robots that squeeze through rubble to rescue survivors. Engineers study their camouflage and motion for next-generation technology. Biologists still discover new secrets every year, because the octopus is one of the few creatures that refuses to fit into any scientific category. Its body is a mystery, its abilities almost supernatural, and its escapes still the stuff of legend. The ocean is full of wonders, but none quite like the escape artist that can become anything, any shape, any size, and disappear in the blink of an eye. This is the octopus, the master of the impossible.